Hello everyone! Today we continue working with a spiral dress. This sketch was made by one of my subscribers. The dress will consist of the two details. One will be green and the other one blue. This is how the green one looks like. You will need about 2.5 meters of fabric of each color to make such dress. You will have a lot of fabric left, but this is how the details should be pinned. I'll draw several checkpoints with a piece of chalk. I'll also mark the wrong side. First I'll cut the details, and then I'll mark all the needed checkpoints. This is the only way to tack and stitch this dress accurately. First I need to mark the center back and the center front. Here they are. Let's continue working. This is the sleeve, and this is the sleeve bottom. Now you know how to make a pattern for this dress. If you don't want to waste 2.5 meters of fabric, you will have to make seams. We are making the dress which consists of just the two details. I don't want to make any extra seams. The green detail is almost ready. When I cut the blue one, I'll draw all the needed marks. Oля wants to make such dress for herself. She's pretty lucky. This detail is 2.5 meters long. Let me show it to you. This is the sleeve. These are the center back and the center front. These are the front and the back details. This detail goes from the shoulder to the bottom. Next I'll cut the blue detail. I've already pinned the pattern. I want you to have a look at it. As I've already said, you can make additional seams in order not to waste fabric. I decided to show you how this dress will look like without any extra seams. Anyway, it's absolutely okay if you make a couple of seams on the sides. I'm cutting the blue detail. When I do it, I'll draw all the needed marks. When I cut the detail, I'll tack the dress and Oля will try it on. This dress should look just like the mock-up we used for drawing. Try to pin and cut the details in such way that you have as few folds as possible. I'm not going to throw this pattern away, because Oля will make a dress on its basis. This is the center front. I had to pin it this way, because originally it was a pattern for a quarter circle dress. This is gabardine fabric. It's pretty cheap. I will mark all the seams on the fabric. I will need these marks to tack and stitch the dress accurately. I wish I could draw better. This is something that I've always wanted. This detail is almost ready. I just need to make the edges more beautiful. It's not easy to cut such a huge detail. Very nice. This is how the blue detail looks like. This is the sleeve, this is the shoulder, this is the center front, this is the bottom. In the first video, I showed you the sketch, told you about the design, Oля put the mockup on, and I drew all the needed lines on it. In the second video, I showed you how to cut a pattern, draw the lines, and cut fabric. The two details are ready. One is green, and the second one is blue. In the next video, I will tack the dress, and Oля will try it on. The dress is pretty complicated, but I like it, so it's a pleasure to work with it. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukšte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.